Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impressa EA espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up, which means we had to remove the entire thing. The entire thing. This one needs to go. This one over here needs to go. This one over here needs to go. Once you have everything outside, then you are able to service the machine. We started by cleaning up the grinder, the one that is located right below this panel, making sure there's not any old coffee or anything like that. We recalibrated and adjusted the way it's supposed to go as well. This is the remove the brew unit. You have to remove 2 screws from here, then take the entire thing out, and from here you have to remove 4 screws and take the entire thing out. Once we had the whole brew unit, we service it, relubricated, replace the O-rings from the various places of the brew unit. We relubricate the entire thing and put it back together. We descaled the machine, did some cleaning cycles as well, and yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Then we're gonna be testing out the hot water and then the steam. Now it's gonna be just 2 ounces of liquid. It's gonna have pre-infusion first. Then it's gonna dispense. There you go. Perfect. Nice crema, nice quantity, excellent color as well. We are on the middle position of the grinder, so that you can either increase the grind size to make it finer and have a much stronger flavor. You can put it on a coarser setting to have a less stronger flavor. You want more crema, you put it on a finer setting. And remember, whenever to adjust the grinder, make sure that it's running and not just turn on the knob. You have to make sure that the grinder is running in order to not force the grinder itself. And now we're going to be testing the steam. It's going to take a little bit of time for the steamer to reach temperature, but once it reaches the temperature, we're going to be able to see steam coming out through here. There we go, that's good enough. As you can see, steam is coming out nicely out of one. You have the steam steady from the steamer one. Nice steady steam. Working excellent. So there you have it, Jura Impressa EA working once again and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing with Can Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.